I was hired for Procter and Gamble out of SEC Expo my freshman year. So I was working at Tabler Station under Procter and Gamble in Inwood, West Virginia, which is actually the company's largest manufacturing plant in the world, which is pretty crazy. I worked under the DAFC business unit, so that primarily produces dryer sheets, which is really exciting. They produce a number, so each plant kind of produces a few different products. So that one, if I remember, we had Swiffer Beauty, which was like your Pantene and all of that. I had 6 individual projects that I completed. They were kind of pretty diverse. I did some work with designing out rejects conveyor failures, so we had some sheets that were getting kind of caught up. So can't say too much about that, but that was pretty cool. I did some work with optimizing the end of line programming and really identifying bottlenecks and designing them out. And I also was able to like design some contaminant guarding. So that was also really cool because I got to design it up and draw it out, and we got a contractor and they built it for me, and I got to see it installed. So that was really exciting.